Here is an example of a spreadsheet. So a spreadsheet program is a computer program specifically designed for making and using spreadsheets. A spreadsheet stores information such as numbers, words, or formulas in rectangular spaces called cells. Each spreadsheet cell has a specific location in the spreadsheet. Cells contain many kinds of information, including labels, numbers, and formulas. Formulas frequently involve mathematical expressions. So who can see up top where it says address box? So I'm going to highlight the area that says D3. This right here is the address box. You can see it has the label and the arrow pointing to it. So this is where we see the name of the cell that is being displayed. The display bar is where information contained in selected cells is displayed. So the display bar is right here, this part. So the selected cell is D3 because D is shaded, this column D is shaded and 3 is shaded. So that's how I know that this is the selected cell. And the equation that we have to put in to get a number in this cell is B3 times C3. So when we multiply our B3 and our C3 cells together, we get this number right here. Therefore, cells are named with letters in the columns and numbers in the rows. So the 10th row of the B column, I have the B column here, the 10th row would be B10. And that is how cells are named. So as we can see in the D column, we can see that since D3 is selected, it has a formula that has been put in to get an answer. And so a cell with a formula displays the result only. So this right here, 1.74, is the result of the formula when the numbers in the referred cells are substituted for the cell addresses. It is important to know that when you enter a formula into a spreadsheet, you use an equal sign up here, and you also use the star symbol to show multiplication.